Alright, this will be the last segment for chapter 1.3, and I'm doing number 31. And this involves the distance formula. Now, make sure whenever they say find the length of a segment, that means like the length, then you're gonna use the distance formula when it asks if you're given 2 points, you can use the distance formula. Now I have the 2 points. Well, what are my well, make sure you know the formula first. The formula is the square root of x2 minus x1, so point 1 minus point 2 plus y2 minus y1. So then you need to know your 2 points. Usually I'll stack it up. I could pick any 2 points. Let's say this is 1, 2, or you could do the other way. It doesn't matter as well too. So this is the first point. The second point is 5, 4. And so what I always remember is that I just take the bottom minus the top, and then bottom minus the top. So that's how I remember. So let's just use the formula and plug it in. So the equals to square root here. All right, what is x2? Well, let's say this is the x and this is the y. So x2 then is the bottom one. So 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1. Well, this is the y, so 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 square. And then just finish solving it. Alright, so 5 minus 1, that is 4 square plus 4 minus 2, that is 2 square. And then take the square root. 4 times 4, that's 16 plus 4. So it's the square root of 20. Um, let's simplify this. One way to simplify this, you could use a calculator. So for this, I could use a calculator. Square root of 20. The answer is about, and then you could just round it. So the answer is about 4.5. You could leave it like this. In this case, the instruction says that you want to round to the nearest tenth, so that's why I have the answer like this. But if you don't have a calculator, you could simplify it by um, taking the square root of 20, which is the same thing as saying square root of 4 times 5, and I could take the 4 out of the square root, which is 2 root 5. So this could be your other answer as well too.